Hello, my friends and colleagues. The 18th Organization Studies workshop has just finished on Mykonos. It was a wonderful conference. I heard a lot of people talking about their great keynote speeches and fantastic discussions. I also heard about some people even saying this was the best workshop that has ever and will ever happen. But you haven't been to the next Organization Studies Summer Workshop next year on Crete. Next year, the topic will be the future of strategizing and organizing from a practice perspective, connections and extensions. As you might know, strategy as practice has been around for 20 years. It looks at the practices of strategy. That means that it looks at what strategists do, the practice of developing strategy, but very much also at organizational practices that have strategic consequences. So strategy as practice connects strategy and strategizing and organizing. In that sense, it is right at the heart of EGOS and organization studies. So now, like many fields that have been around for a couple of years or even 2 decades as strategy as practice, it at some points reaches a stage of maturation, a stage of maturity. And then the question is sort of, where do we go into the future? What's the future of strategizing and organizing? And this is exactly the topic of next year's Organization Studies workshop, where we'll discuss how to take it into the future. And what we are suggesting is that in order to reinvigorate strategy as practice, which is a very nice and invigorated community as such, but how do we reinvigorate also the research that goes with it? And we thought sort of one of the things is extending sort of empirically the field of strategy as practice, looking at sort of new forms of strategizing and organizing now with artificial intelligence coming up, open strategy participation becoming more and more important, and so on. A second topic is strategizing also for more societal, greater issues, strategizing and organizing for grand challenges like climate change and so on. Yeah. Also, a field that hasn't been explored is strategizing in a geographical contexts which are not Anglo-American or European, but maybe African, South American, Asian, and so on, areas where we don't know so much and don't have so much data on how strategizing is being done there. And so we are also calling for research that looks at sort of comparison between different contexts. And then very importantly, another area for sort of reinvigorating strategy as practice is connecting, connecting to other streams of research, connecting strategizing research with the attention-based view or routine dynamics or many other areas, institutional theory, and so on. So these are the topics of next year's workshop. Of course, this year's workshop also had a nice topic, but next year's is particularly interesting. We are thinking of keynote speakers like Andreas Reckwitz. We haven't asked him yet, but we would like to invite him because he has been very important for our stream. And we will probably have also the original, the grandfathers or great-grandfathers of strategy as practice, like Richard Whittington, Jerry Johnson, Leif Melin. We're trying to get them. We haven't talked to them yet. I mean, I've talked to Richard, but not to the others. So also to look a little bit at what were the original ideas and when they developed strategy as practice and what has come of it. Okay, very exciting. And now to the place. It will take place in Crete, on Crete in Chania. Very nice place. Very nice hotel, just ideal for paper presentations, no distractions. You can just focus on paper presentations. I don't know what you are interested in, what you go for. I mean, for me, the paper presentations are key, the discussions, the panels, and so on. I mean, I don't know what else to do in such places. I mean, it's a fantastic thing. And yeah, it's at the beach and yeah, wonderful place. And Okay, there is also a beach. It's very nice, a great pool, everything. Okay, so don't think too long. I mean, I'll wait at the pool for you, and take care. So I see you at the pool, and don't forget to put your paper. Otherwise, you will not be able to participate. Okay, thanks. Bye.